All right, those were just my street taco tortillas that I dipped in butter and cinnamon sugar and placed on my oven rack. Now we're gonna go ahead and move this into our oven. All right, our oven is set to 350 and that's only gonna cook for a couple minutes. All right, while those tortillas are in the oven, I'm gonna grab a medium bowl and I found this no-bake Jell-O pumpkin style pie. And we are gonna go ahead and grab that pumpkin mixture and make it to the box instructions. I'm so excited to try this out. This is gonna be such a fun and easy dessert that everyone will love, especially if you love pumpkin pie. So we added that mixture and then we have to add 2.5 cups of milk right into our bowl. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful orange starting to come through.
I've never seen that Jell-O pumpkin style mix before.
I think it's new this year because this is the first time I've seen it too. And I'm super excited to try it because I love pumpkin pie. And we're just gonna whisk this up and get it nice and well blended. And then we're gonna pop it in the fridge until those tortillas have come out and cooled. But oh my gosh, look how flavorful it looks. You can tell there's a lot of pumpkin spice in it. Such a beautiful like terracotta orange.
It smells so delicious too.
Okay, we gotta make sure whisk this good. There's all those bubbles in there. We gotta make sure to get them out so that this can be the most delicious pumpkin dessert you've ever had. All right, what does that look? How does that look?
It looks consistent.
Oh my goodness. All right, we're gonna pop this in the fridge for just a couple minutes. All right, you guys, our tortillas are ready. Look how crispy and delicious they look. We're gonna go ahead and grab them and kind of open them up a little bit, but don't break them. And then we have our taco holders that we're gonna place our tortillas in. Oh my goodness, these look amazing. They were in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350. They got extra crispy in there. Look, this one has a bunch of like bubbles in there, so I'm just gonna poke those bubbles so that we get plenty of room in there. Same with this one, lots of bubbles. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so good, you guys. All right, and then now I'm bringing in that pumpkin no-bake that we made and a cookie scoop, and we are gonna scoop our pumpkin. Look. Oh,
it's perfect.
It's perfect, and we are gonna fill our tortillas with our pumpkin pie mixture. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look so good? Let's get a little bit more in there. Just fill it up as best as you can. Doesn't that look so good?
Oh, I can't wait to try this.
Okay, so let's go ahead and fill up the rest of them. Look at those tortillas with that delicious pumpkin pie filling in there. All right, these are dessert tacos and I'm gonna top them off with some Cool Whip. It's kind of like the sour cream of the taco. Oh, and I'm using extra creamy because it's my favorite. And we're gonna add a little scoop right on top just for cuteness and deliciousness. Oh my goodness. And I have one more thing I'm gonna add and then this is gonna be ready to enjoy. Kids will love these. Parents will love these. It's so fun to make for Thanksgiving, for Halloween, whatever you wanna make them for. It is pumpkin season, so we are desserting it up with all the delicious pumpkin flavors. Oh, doesn't it look like sour cream?
It kind of does. You know, it's a very inexpensive recipe too, which is kind of nice.
Yeah. Okay, last thing, I'm just gonna top them off with some mixed nuts. I'll put some in my hand so I can sprinkle them like sprinkles. You could use sprinkles if you want like it to be more festive, but I'm just gonna add some nuts because I think nuts go great with the pumpkin flavors. Look how cute these are.
Oh, I'm so excited to try one.
Yeah, me too. All right, that looks great. Which one should I try?
I think this one looks the coolest.
Oh my gosh, and look at these cute little taco holders I got from Walmart. Oh my goodness, that Cool Whip looks insane. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
It's so crunchy.
This is so good, you guys.